Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to use green screen on CapCut. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your CapCut application and just import the items of your specific project. Just like this is the video and this is the green screen that I want to use. So I will just drag and drop the green screen which I want to use. So just like this is the green screen which I want to use. So first of all, you guys have to go on to video and just click on this cutout section and just click on this chroma key. Just turn it on and just click on color picker and pick up this color. And from here, you guys can set your strength according to your specific video. You guys can also set up these shadows according to your specific requirements. You can also resize it according to your requirements. It's easy, and as you guys can see, the green screen is being used, and that's how you guys can easily use green screen in CapCut.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.